CyberTruck.
So this is another seat right here.
That's right, this is a center seat, it's a center console as well, so you get cup holders here, and then you just fold it right up, it has a seatbelt on it. This is the 17-inch center display.
Right.
Yeah. All new UI, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you the navigation here as well, just so you know which way we're going. We're going to go out to Jack Northrop. We'll go quickly if you want me to go quickly.
Yes.
And then make a U-turn so you can see how maneuverable it is.
More time.
Going in low suspension mode.
How do you like that steering wheel?
It's fun, yeah. It's a blast to drive with it.
And my wife has it.
Did you want to go fast now?
Woo!
Oh gosh, nice knobby tires. Wow. That was actually 68 miles an hour. You guys got the bonus treatment.
Wow. Was the regen pretty aggressive on it?
Just that was mostly regen, and I braked at the end.
Okay.
So nice tight turning circle there.
This is tri-motor performance?
This is the dual motor.
This is dual.
So it only gets faster.
Wow.
So this has got the air suspension though, so it's lifted nice and high, and sucks up the bumps nicely, and then we can make the dampers really soft as well, so it feels great. And if we want to handle like a sports car, we drop the car to the ground, CG goes lower, and then we stiffen up the dampers as well. If you have a look behind you in the vault, it kind of gives you a sense of how much storage you have on board here. But if we close the tonneau, you wouldn't be able to see behind you. So we did this rear view display. It gives you a great view no matter what behind you.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's good.
You already mentioned this. You mentioned the glass above us as well.
Yeah.
This gives you a fantastic airy feeling as we
What
drive.
is this stuff? What's this material?
I'll give you one guess.
I don't know. Kind of like marble?
Everyone guesses quartz. All right, marble. I'll take marble. But it's actually paper.
Paper?
Oh.
Wow. It's paper. Wow.
Nice and lightweight. Excellent. Hope you guys had fun.
Cool, thank you.
for that.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate that very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a good rest of your night.